Okay, let's take a look at one more situation here regarding Monica. Uh, Read it aloud and then to yourself and try to create the graph and stop the recording at this time, and I'll check back in with you with an answer momentarily. Alright, so as I look at this graph here, or this situation, first thing I want to do is make sure that I have labeled my graph correctly. So as you read, Monica's dog, Chugly Boom, dug out the backyard. He did some other things there, and Petunia's house, and did rammed some blocks to a park and some other things. So first thing I want to do is make sure I label it correctly. So I'm looking at distance from home and time. So once again, I want to make sure I label that distance and time. And I might just write distance from home just to abbreviate there. And what is Chugly Boom doing? He's starting at home because he's in the backyard. He ran 2 blocks away from home to the nearest park. Okay? He took a nap in the park for 30 minutes. Is my distance going to be changing during that? No. He woke up, he continued further from home to Petunia's house. So he goes to Petunia's house. They played for an hour. So this line is longer than this other line because he's playing there for an hour. He was hungry, so he decided to go home. And Chugly Boom just decides to go home. Should I put a title on this graph? I could. It might be just Chugly Boom's Adventure. So I would want to include that if I have that. And I'm looking for, once again, is my graph properly labeled? Do I have all the main parts of the story included in my graph? So do I have that I started at home, that he ended at home, that he was at the park playing, here, and that he was at Petunia's house playing there. Petunia's house is further away, so that distance increases. The graph could have been drawn where Petunia's house was here, and then he went home. That would have been possible. That would have been incorrect because it does say that Petunia's house is further away from home. Okay, and this last slide is just that graph once again, a little bit neater and nicer. Once again, please complete the following assignments. There's a video for you to watch, and if you could please be in contact with your facilitator teacher if you have any other questions regarding this lesson. And make sure that you complete your homework assignment before doing your homework quiz. Thank you.